Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Bumpboxx Uprock Pro. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this was originally $1,200, but it's on sale for $900. I repeat, $900. Now this one comes in 3 different colors. You got white, black, and graffiti. All right, so let's go through the specs real quick. Now this is a Bluetooth speaker, but you also got auxiliary inputs, and it features true wireless stereo. That means you can pair 2 of these together wirelessly. Now you're getting 1,500 watts of power with extreme bass. Now you got an 8-inch subwoofer, you got 2 8-inch mid-bass speakers, you got 2 8-inch woofers, and 2 4-inch horns. Now those are powered by a Class D amplifier. Now the battery life is up to 40 hours on a single charge, and it takes anywhere between 2 to 5 hours to fully charge up, depending on what charger you use. Now you got a 3.5-inch full-color LCD display. You got RGB LED light bar. It comes with 2 mics and a remote control, and this speaker weighs 60 pounds. Okay, so this is a big boy. All right, so let's take a look at it. All right, so inside of the box, it comes with 2 carrying cases. This one right here, nice little Bumpboxx logo. This is going to be for your karaoke microphones. Now I can't stress this enough. These are high-quality mics, super heavy, all metal. And check this out. You can actually control all of the settings right from the mic. And these are rechargeable via USB Type-C. So you got 2 high-quality microphones, 2 USB Type-C charging cables. The speaker comes with a fully functional remote control. How dope is that? And you get some batteries for the remote. Now it also comes with another pouch, and this is going to be for your plug. Okay, so there's one of these kind of plugs right here. This end, and here's the other end that goes into the speaker. You just plug this in just like that. One end into the wall, one end into the speaker. Beautiful presentation. Now here's how the microphone looks, powered up. Check this out. You got a full display. You can control your echo, treble, volume, and bass. And it shows the battery percentage. All right, so here's how the speaker looks from the front. Now you can see the big 8-inch subwoofer in the middle. Then you got your woofers, your mid-bass, and your horns. And you can see that beautiful 3.5-inch full-color LCD display. And look at this. If you zoom in. All right, so here's a closer look at this 3.5-inch LCD display. Full color. If you notice, it shows the song that's playing. It shows your Bluetooth connection. This is going to be a multifunctional button. So if you push it in, that's play and pause. You can rotate it for volume. You got skip and reverse tracks. This is going to be your true wireless stereo connection. This is your mute button. This is your Bluetooth pairing button. You got a button to change the color of the LEDs. This is your mode button and your EQ. So you got 3 preset EQs. High fidelity, cinematic, and Bumpboxx. Now if you want to, you can turn off the LED light strip, and you can also change the colors. All you got to do is press the LED button. So there's blue, pink, green, red, and again, you can turn it off. Now I'm going to go with red for this video. All right, so here's how the speaker looks from the back. Now let's take a closer look at the inputs. Now on the back of the speaker, you got a USB-A input. This way you can play music from a USB stick. You got a TF card slot. You got a 3.5 auxiliary input with treble, bass, and volume. You got a guitar input with bass, treble, and volume. And you got mic 1 and mic 2 with bass, treble, volume, echo, and delay controls. This is going to be your plug input and your power button. Now on the bottom of the speaker, you got 8 rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it from moving around. Now, one more thing I wanted to mention. You can control everything from the LCD display or the remote control. So I can change the EQ settings, power the speaker on and off, volume up and down, skip and reverse tracks, right from the remote. All right, so we're going to start off with the Bumpboxx EQ on 50% volume. Here we go.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test, sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla.
Okay. Now, of course, the video is not going to do it justice, but I'm sitting right in front of this speaker. It sounds crazy. Now, I'm going to start the song over, and this time we're going to take it over to maximum volume. Here we go.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test, sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, holla. How's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it? How's the sound, baby? I'm just
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rubier. Now, I was cycling... Hold up. I was cycling between... That scared me. It's so loud. I was cycling between the 3 different EQ settings. I like the Bumpboxx setting the best. And again, it's hard to tell when you're watching a YouTube video how a speaker actually sounds, but I got to take my word for it. I'm sitting right in front of this. It sounds insane. Let's drop another sound test.
Flossy Carter in the house, white shoes on deck. So here it is, the new test. Let's play it loud. Turn it up, Floss. Turn it up. Turn it up. How's the treble? How's the bass? Does it sound good? And does it sound loud? Can it mute all the haters talking? All the trolls know me boys are loud. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All your haters and all your trolls. Close your eyes and picture me rolling. Shoes, calm down. White shoes on deck. So here it is, the new test. Let's play it loud. Turn it up, Floss. Turn it up. How's the treble? How's the bass? Does it sound good and does it sound loud? Can it mute all the haters talking? All the trolls know me boys are loud. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All your haters and all your trolls. Close your eyes and picture me rolling. Shoes, calm down. Woo!
Okay.
Calm down.
Let's go.
Shoes, calm down.
Okay. Shout out to my man Miles Mundane. That track is crazy. Again, I'm sitting right in front of this. I'm getting turned up. This speaker sounds so badass. All right, so y'all know I got to test out the karaoke microphone with maximum echo. Here we go.
Yeah. DJ Cringe. Back in the building. Got a DJ Cringe exclusive. Shout out to my nephew Trap Epic. Let's go. Bring that headset to the DJ booth.
Trap.
Let's get it.
Yo, I got a question for you. How many times you knew I was checking for you? How many? Put it on the line, grab the weapon for you. Real, I was front line, I was repping for you. Trapper, came by myself, I was stepping for you. Turned the L to a lesson for you. Cash, turned one night to a blessing for you. You didn't think I'd do something special for you, but I wouldn't do nothing special unless it's for you. And that's the thing about it.
Shout out to White
Sleep at night when I think about it. These niggas think they got it, but I really got it. These niggas think they profit, but I really profit. I done left the town, got it really poppin'. These niggas window shot when I'm really copping. I'm from the city where niggas be milli rockin'. I might pull up in 650s with silly options. It's the mathematics. You still stick around if I ain't have cabbage? Would you come to my shows if I rap average? Except on my flaws and my bad habits. Heal all my wounds from the backstabbers. And never be someone who would backstab me. Never. Ready for that ride in the black caddy. My son wants son, tell him ask daddy. He'll be mad happy, but I'm
DJ Quinn, development party.
Catch stunts on my 745.
Southside Queens exclusive. Let's get it.
But if I post this little bitch on my close friends, you ask about it and I act like I got no sense. Spend on me, or would you spend for me? How deep is our love if that's what it takes for you to creep in the club? The shit beneath me has to reach from above. The old me would've reached for the glove. I'm just playing, you know what I'm saying. But oh no, when it's over, I just hope that you stand. Because
Shout out to that
you're crazy. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me?
This is a DJ Quinn exclusive. Development party. Hit me up at 555-1212. Let's go. Bring that Hennessy to the DJ booth.
Bro, let me turn this off real quick. Hold up. Now, I'm behind the camera. I forgot I was shooting a YouTube video. This is too much fun. This mic sounds really good. Matter of fact, let's try it one more time. This time I'm going to turn the echo down.
All right, so I just turned down the echo. This is how you're going to sound regular. But if you like me and you like the DJ, you're going to want maximum echo. So this is 0 echo. Now I'm going to put on maximum echo. This is maximum echo. Yeah. This is what I like to hear. All right, let's keep it moving.
All right, so we're going to try out one more song at maximum volume, and we're going to check the decibels. Also, on the side note, listen to the words of this song. Here we go.
You know the deal, it's the man on top. Flossy Carter in the game and he can't be stopped. White shoes by his side, calm down, relax and mouse mundane. Got his back on the track. Pull up in the Beamer, red whip all clean. From Queens to the world, yeah, he got that gleam. Real reviews, only no gimmicks, no lies. When Flossy hit the screen, it's no compromise. Unboxing the heat from the latest tech drop. You know he coming through straight, taking the top spot. White shoes on deck, always ready to roll. He keep it 100, ain't selling his soul. When Flossy speak, you know it's the truth. Real hustler grinding, yeah, he's bulletproof. No fake, no fun, y'all can trust in his name. Red Beamer riding, yeah, he running the game. Flossy Carter, stacking up, keeping it real. No cap, no fluff, he's closing the deal. From tech to the streets, he's always on top. White shoes in the cut, ain't never gonna stop. If you need the facts, he the one you call. When it come to them reviews, Flossy breaking it off. Never bought, never sold, he's ahead of the rest. From phones to them gadgets, Flossy do it the best. Got that Snyder cut for when I want it long. Full breakdown, no rush, keeping it strong. Real fan behind him, from Queens he rise. Grinding on the daily, keep his eyes on the prize. He got that red Beamer, style on point. Unboxing all day, the hustle don't disappoint. Y'all know the name, it's a movement for sure. Flossy Carter in the building, keep stacking more. Flossy Carter, stacking up, keeping it real. No cap, no fluff, he's closing the deal. From tech to the streets, he's always on top. White shoes in the cut, ain't never gonna stop. Flossy Carter, stacking up, keeping it real. No cap, no fluff, he's closing the deal. From tech to the streets, he's always on top. White shoes in the cut, ain't never gonna stop. Yeah, Miles mundane, got his back, no slack. bringing heat to the beat, keep it all on track. Flossy do the talking, but my days supply the flame. Two hustlers on the ground, we changing the game. Flossy Carter, stacking up, keeping it real. No cap, no fluff, he's closing the deal. From tech to the streets, he's always on top. White shoes in the cut, ain't never gonna stop. Flossy Carter, stacking up, keeping it real. No cap, no fluff, he's closing the deal. From tech to the streets, he's always on top. White shoes in the cut, ain't never gonna stop. Yeah, Flossy Carter, y'all know his name. Miles Mundane on the beats, we changing the game. No trolls, just truth, this a movement he built. Red Beamer riding, yeah, we flossing for real. Yeah, Flossy Carter, y'all know his name. Miles Mundane on the beats, we changing the game. No trolls, just truth, this a movement he built. Red Beamer riding, yeah, we flossing for real.
Shout out to my man Miles Mundane. Alright, this is an exclusive right here, a real banger. Let's kind of wrap this video up. Now, I know somebody's gonna ask, which one sounds better? This or the previous Uprock that I reviewed before? This one right here. Alright, this one definitely sounds better. Alright, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the Bumpboxx Uprock Pro a major go. I love the look of this speaker, and I love the sound of this speaker. It is super loud, excellent highs and mids, and that bass is rumbling. The two microphones, high quality, y'all hear the echoes, perfect for your karaoke, perfect for your DJing parties. Not to mention, low-key my favorite feature, the LCD display. I love being able to see what song is coming up next without being by my phone. Not to mention you got the RGB lights, big handle on the top to make it easy to carry around. This is an absolute beast. Anyway, this is the Bumpboxx Uprock Pro, again, on sale for $900. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one.
For the real reviews. He has a tech channel on YouTube, and he already has over 2 million subscribers, so give him a look. You may like it, and it could be very useful. Take care of yourself and each other.